Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Kevin Lee, and if you're new to my channel, I make videos on investing in the stock market, buying stocks, shares, bonds, ETFs, you name it. The name of the game is making as much money as possible and getting the hell out. Now, what I want to do in today's video, I just want to give you guys an update on my free trade portfolio so far. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. So I actually started my free trade journey on the 25th of September 2020, and today, currently as I'm shooting this video, it's the 30th of November 2020. Okay, so I've had my investment portfolio for just over 2 months, guys. Now, as some of you may know, when I originally created my investment portfolio with Freetrade, I sent quite a few links out to friends and so forth, so I was given quite a number of free shares. The total amount of free shares that I received was 7. Okay, what you can see on the screen now is my portfolio as of today. It's showing £780.37 with a profit of £245.37. So that basically means 535 is of my own money, which I have invested, and I've made a profit of £245.37. I've been investing for just over 2 months, and I'm £245 up. Now, as many of you know, investment isn't a very quick overnight fix. I'll be investing over the next 3 to 5 years. We'll do a review in 3, and we may make some adjustments along the way, which if I make any adjustments, I'll be updating you guys as I go along. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So the profit that you see, £245.37, a proportion of that is actually free shares that were given to me by Freetrade by referring a friend. So the shares that you can see on the screen now are all free shares that were given to me by Freetrade by referring a friend. Now, you can be given a free share from anything between £3 and £200 simply by sharing the link with a friend, and this you can do multiple times, so there isn't really a limit on how many free shares you can receive. This totals up to £62.04. Now, in order to get a free share, what I'll do, I'll leave a link just underneath this video. So click on the link under this video. That will enable you to download the Freetrade app. Once you download the app and top up your account, you'll be given a free share by Freetrade. And once you send that link to a friend of yours, they will also get a free share, as well as you also receiving another free share. So it's quite a good incentive from Freetrade. As you can see on the screen, here's my account, all the links that I've sent to friends. I'm still awaiting some friends to respond. But as you can see, I've been giving multiple free shares from Freetrade by referring a friend. Also, to get involved in buying stocks and shares is a lot easier than many people may think. It's a simple process of downloading the app from the App Store or the Play Store. Once you have the app on your phone, you then verify your details on the app, and then you simply select which company you would like to buy shares or stocks in, and that's as simple as it. Once you have topped up your account, you can then select what company you would like to buy stocks or shares in, and you pretty much just leave it for the next 3 to 5 years and watch your money grow. It's that simple. It's not rocket science. It's not complicated. It's as simple as that. Now let's get into the portfolio itself. As you can see on the screen, you can see the performance of my portfolio. It's performing at 70.54%, which is quite good, I would say, considering I've only been buying investments in the past, just over the past 2 months. So as you scroll down, you can see the different industries that I have investments in. So what I'll do now, I'll show you a quick overview of the different industries that I've purchased my shares in. Cars, health, tech, ETFs, entertainment, industries, property, finance, mining. Okay guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. This was just a very brief overview to let you guys know exactly where I'm at in terms of my investment journey and what shares I have purchased thus far. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.